We are back at Sesame Place today.
Look at his eyeball.
She brought Telly Monster and oh no, and
I
they were
didn't
big
know
birds.
Telly.
Yeah, she wants to meet Telly Monster today.
No, that's
Look at the construction going on over there.
I want the figurines.
It's coming along really good. Now today, it's in the 60s. It's windy and cool. Not a perfect water ride day, but there's so much more to do here, so much more to see. So these are the days that dry rides are good, shows are good. Because it's hard to do everything in one day. You just can't seem to get it all done in one day.
Figurines, I want the figurines.
Yeah, I mean, probably could. But
Figurines?
no, can't everything done in one day. But it is tough. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna have a great day today. And it's just me and Paige again today. But it's supposed to rain for about 1 to 2 weeks. I'm not sure how it's gonna be. That's why we went. We've been going every single day for about a week now. So I hope the weather doesn't get too bad on us here. All right, we're ready to go in now. Okay, now we are in. Getting ready to go into the park, past the security. And I just told her, I realized looking at the phone, today is the first day of summer. First day of summer, and it's cold. I mean, not cold, but 60s is pretty cool for first day of summer. But I'm sure we're gonna have hot days coming soon. All right, so I don't see Thomas today, but let's get ready to head in here. See what's going on the board over there. All right, it's looking like the same as yesterday, which is the Big Bird's Nest. Small talk with Big Bird, 11:15, 12:15, 1:15, 4:30. Photos with Elmo, 11 a.m., 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. And of course, dance party. Remember, this is the Beach Bash one. We got 10:30, 11:30, and 4 p.m. And the Magic Bird, 12:30. Awesome. And of course, we have Party Parade, 3 o'clock. Yay!
I'm going to souvenir.
All right, so now we're gonna head in and see what we're gonna do.
I want to see a souvenir.
She wants to go to the souvenir shop, but I might head over here to see what time it is to get the dance party because it is going to be starting shortly. All right, we watched the dance party. Of course, that will be uploaded separately. And we're taking a walk down the street, and there's no one in line for Murray, and we see Murray from here. Oh, we forgot the autograph books.
It's in my car. It's in the car.
Well, we're going to be here so many times that it's okay today. I wanted to carry light today. I only got one bag on me. It's hard when you have to carry a lot of bags. So we can still see Murray if you want. It's up to you. Big Bird will be out probably in about a half hour or so. Yeah, oh, I see Super Grover. Yes, I do. There's Super Grover over there. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Let's get. Let me see if I can zoom in to Super Grover there. Gotta go down some. There he is. There he is. Cool. All right. And then of course Murray. He's waving. All right, Paige is running down because she sees Telly Monster. He just came out. He has no line. Poor Telly has no line. Wow, he just came out. I'm sure no one has seen him. They're all up there in those lines. We'll head down for him. I wonder if Bert and Ernie will be out. I didn't see them yesterday. Oh no, where's she going? Oh no, Telly Monster didn't just come out. He's actually going in. She's wanting to wave at him. And did she do it? She managed to wave at him. See, there she goes. I have to stop because I had to zoom in there. See? He does see her. See, he pointed at her. All right, we got that. Sorry about that, friends. I did not realize Telly Monster had been out. So he probably was just going back. And all the characters' lines are cut off, so they probably were out and we didn't know because we were at the dance party.
He's back out at 11:30.
Okay, so that's good. The characters will come out. This is a good character meet and greet day. Maybe dry rides, shows.
We did this.
Yeah, I see him waving. Aw, Telly Monsters. He's cute. Just like Grover. And it was Super Grover. I'd like to see Super Grover, but I'm sure it'll be out later, so.
His line's cut off.
Yeah, I saw that. They were probably already out for a little bit. Wow, it's a little chilly out here today. I might have to go in the car, as weird as it sounds, and put my pants on for the first day of summer. Well, if the sun comes out, it will get warm. It's just like one of those days. There's, you see, there's all clouds up there. No way for the sun to peek through right now. But that's okay. We'll keep cool right outside here. All right, friends, let's see if Oscar's talking today. I'm ringing his doorbell. Well, maybe he's still sleeping. It is still the morning. Here comes Big Bird. As he's talking, walking away there.
Look at all friends who came to visit along Sesame Street. Hi there. Oh. Hello.
We have to wait our turn.
Hey, let's take a picture, okay? Hey, good job.
And then it's our turn.
Goodbye.
Thank you, Big Bird. All right.
Thank you.
All right, we just saw Big Bird. Let's give Oscar a try one more time here. Nope. I think he's still sleeping. All right, Oscar. We're going to try back again later. We got to hear Oscar at least one time today. And she found the feather. Oh my gosh, she got a feather. Wow. Where'd you
see Telly?
You see Telly? That's right. She wants to go see Telly Monster now. Sometimes his feathers do come out. I've seen different things in the street like that, like feathers or whatnot on the street. You can find. That's like my bird at home. He's got feathers come out all the time. Especially the little ones. They come out a lot. We just got to visit Big Bird. You see him across the street over there? And look at his line. Watch this. It goes all the way, all the way. That is incredible.
And we're getting
But you gotta see Big Bird. You gotta see all the characters.
And Zoe's on.
Yeah, Zoe's out, but we're waiting for Telly Monster. Her line's a little bit down that way, so we could probably catch up with her later and get to see Telly. Telly!
His eyeballs just...
Yeah. He'll be happy to see his Telly Monster. You have that. Uh-oh.
Another scratch.
Oh no! Telly Monster! Awesome! We got Baby Bear.
Out of your big, big smile. Let's have one more time.
Pictures of Baby Bear. He is a favorite of a lot of people too. Baby Bear. He's so cute. Bye-bye, Baby Bear. Thank you. And here comes Telly Monster. He's walking up the way, and he is going to be with Baby Bear. So they are going to be together. Here he comes to join Baby Bear. We just got a picture with just Baby Bear, so now we're going to get them together. Awesome. All right. Here we go together. Yay, Telly Monster. Big hugs from Telly. And we got Baby Bear again. She's like, oh, I just saw you. Oh, yeah, you got the Telly Monster. Oh.
Alright, turn big smile right up here.
All right, say thank you.
You guys have
Bye-bye. Okay, we're headed back up the street, and I see Super Grover is back out, and we see Murray over there. And look, both lines are shorted. So we're going to get in line and see Super Grover. And as long as that line's not cut off by the time we get over there, we'll see Murray. All right. All right, now we're going in for Super Grover.
big hug.
All right. Bye-bye, Super Grover. All right.
my
Ready?
next
Let's go around. And we're going to go see Murray now. A lot of characters out today. This is super awesome. Just go from one to the next. That's it. One to the next, one to the next.
There you go. Big smiles. That's great. Awesome. Have an amazing day.
Thank you. Thank you, Murray. All right. Bye-bye. This way, Paige. Over here, it looks like they're changing some stuff around over here. But see, coming soon, Welcome to the Party, June 24th. It's a new musical show premiering. That looks super awesome.
It's in 3 days.
Yeah, it's in 3 days. Let me get a little close-up of the sign here.
Radio show.
See the sign going there? It'll show you right there. There it is. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so much fun to watch that. This is exciting to see something new. Another new thing. Awesome. We are walking by Count Splash Castle. There's only a couple people in there. Some brave, brave kids in there. It is a super fun place to go. And if the water isn't that cold, it's not that bad, right? You want to see how cold the water is? Yeah. It has been warming up a little bit. Yeah, they're having fun. Lots of fun. She's gonna check it out over here, see if it's cold. And touch it with her finger here.
Hey, it's not that cold.
That's what I mean, it's been warming up, so even though it's a little cooler today, it probably still isn't that bad.
Hey, it's in my hand.
All right, well, we're gonna walk around here.
Oh, games.
Oh my gosh, the games. Yes, she loves the
I
games.
saw someone drop a $20.
I still want to get one of those Grovers right there.
I have one.
Yeah, that's a large prize though, right? The Grover's large, yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
Because that's what I'd like to get. I need one of those. You gotta win me one of those. What? Oh yeah, we're gonna go there today. Big Bird Burgers and Bites. We're gonna have lunch in there and I can't wait. I'm already getting hungry. You gotta walk by and smell the food. Now I'm like really, really, really hungry. Oh, they're catching fish in there. All right, I'm gonna walk around. Let's go around up here. Seeing what rides are open. Okay. Oh, wait, is there a duck catcher over here?
Yeah, but there's no glittery
Oh
ones.
yeah, we didn't see this.
No, there's no
Okay.
glittery one. Oh, but there's another white polka dot one.
Oh yeah.
And a Dalmatian.
Wow. I didn't even notice this. Okay, so we found something new today.
New?
Duck catcher game. It's not actually new, but it is to me because I didn't notice it. I only thought there was 3 machines here.
38 seconds left.
38 seconds left. Oh, it's not moving. And that must just be stuck that way. I'm not really sure why it's blinking, but yeah. And then there's always the basketball game. To me, this would be the hard game. Some people could probably be good at this, but I'm not too good at that. But I do see a lot of people. I do see a lot of people walking around with these, so they surely do win them.
They're kind of wet though.
I've seen people walking around with the bananas over there. So the prizes I don't think are that hard to win because I do see it quite a bit. All right, I'm gonna walk around up here. It's actually almost 12 o'clock and we're getting hungry, so we're gonna go into Big Bird Burgers and Bites. I don't know what I want yet, but that's where we're gonna head now, and we're gonna get something to eat because I'm hungry. As soon as I walked by on the other side, I smelled it. I was like, I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. All right, let's head in. All right, we're headed in right now, and it's not too bad in here. I've seen this line, all this filled up over here. So, you know what you're getting today? Chicken nuggets? Are you sure they have the ranch over there? You should double check that. Because the ranch here is really good. I absolutely love the ranch here. Really, really good ranch. I think I might get a salad today. That's what I'm headed for. I think the salads are good. Alright. This place is so awesome. That's where you sit upstairs right there. You go up the stairs. There's also an elevator over there. I think I shared that before in another video. But just so you know, you can get up. There's a way up no matter what. Oh my god. There's a Big Bird cupcake. Does anybody see that Big Bird? Close up shot of that Big Bird. Oh, we changed. Oh, look at that. Add a Big Bird plush to any meal. Only $15.99. Limited time only. There's the chicken nuggets. Ooh, look at that. Chicken sandwich looks good. Alright, I really don't know what I want here. This is terrible. I gotta figure out what I need to eat. I need to eat. Come on, I don't know. Oh my God, that burger was good. All right, well, we'll make a decision here. Okay, so this is what we got at Big Bird Burgers and Bites. I got the honey hot chicken, and I will let you know how that is. I put the lettuce, tomato, and onion on it downstairs. It came with French fries, and Paige got the chicken nuggets and fries. So she's had that before, and she said it is really, really good. She gives that 2 thumbs up. All right, so we're gonna let you know how this is. All right, so we just got done eating, and we came at a good time because look, now there's a line getting long here. So I had a hot honey fried chicken sandwich with fries. That's what it's called, and I'm gonna give that 2 thumbs up. It wasn't really spicy, and it wasn't really sweet. It was like spot on. I really liked it. It's good with lettuce, tomato, onion. I had that on there. Pickles. That's what the choices are. And look at, she got her freezing, icy. A little cold for today, but she likes those. The ices are good. Because what do they have for ices again? They have cola, blue raspberry, and cherry, right? Yeah. So good choices that they have.
White cherry. It's white cherry.
Oh, white cherry, okay. She was looking in there. So yes, I would definitely have to give that the 2 thumbs up. So the burger, the cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger, oh, that is really, really good. And now we got it. Yeah, she likes it too. I'm gonna try to get through tasting everything in there. But so far, Big Bird Burgers and Bites has got the 2 thumbs up for everything that we've had. Coming around to Count Splash Castle again. You can see it's kind of empty today. You're going to see more on the dry rides. It's one thing we can't control is the weather. But I always think that when you come here, it's always a sunny day. Even though the sun's not really out. Because to me, that's a happy day. Sesame Place is always a happy day.
Big Bird's out.
Big Bird is out. Now we are not going to see the Magic of Art today. We were eating. So that is actually going on right now. I did record that yesterday. That will be uploaded probably before this video goes on. Since that was from yesterday, I try to keep it in order there. And I'm not sure how long Big Bird line is or if it's cut off. But there's not a lot of people in line.
Can we say hi?
Oh, she wants to say hi because he's getting ready to go in, so, okay. She always likes to wave at Big Bird. He was waving at her when we were walking around that way earlier, and I missed it. She didn't, I did. I try to get it, always get recordings for it. Oh, here he goes. Watch out the way, Paige. He's coming through.
It was so good to see you.
Bye-bye, Big Bird.
See you next time.
Yes, we will. There he goes. Let's, yeah, that was nice. He said, so good to see you. Let's see if he turns around and waves. He says adios. Sometimes he'll turn around and wave. Let's say. He said he'll be back. Oh, how cute. Oh. Everybody's like, Big Bird, where's Big Bird? All right, Paige wants to go to Sesame Souvenirs.
I like it.
She loves,
they have
just like me,
cigarettes.
loves the stores, yes. And,
So
oh, you're cold. Yeah, the first day of summer, crazy. But she wants to check out, there is new things in here, we saw them yesterday. Which that would have also been, it's going to be on a video before this one. So I hope you did get to see that. It was, what was it? The 2-headed monster?
yeah, and Tango and Yip Yip.
Yes,
Yip,
right.
Yip, 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 Yip.
And also, they had the Elmo puppet. That was the other thing too, so that was super cool to see all that stuff. And we see our friend She's Christine. Coming back from Murray. Yeah. Yeah, I'll take one. Thank you. I'm just taking a video now. Okay, we did make a pit stop and see Murray. Oh, I do. I see the roller coaster. It's going there to go. Whee! My favorite. Oh man, that's Izzy's favorite too. Yes, that is Izzy's favorite. Me and Izzy. And actually, believe it or not, It is Haley's favorite as well. Just not yours. No, but we love it. So we're gonna make it this time, the Sesame souvenir. I don't see any characters out between here and there. They're all behind us.
Hey, they have Dippin' Dots over there.
And they have Dippin' Dots over there somewhere.
In the store behind us.
Oh, really?
Over there.
Where? Oh, there? Oh, I see it. I wonder if they are selling them. I do see it behind the guy. It used to be inside this. Yeah, Sesame Souvenirs used to have it. I guess they put them outside now for sale. We'll have to ask somebody. Because they're little cute little Dippin' Dots in a container with a spoon. I think it was attached to the lid. You peel off and you eat them. Oh, it's really good. I like that during the parade, they bring down the little cart and you could buy bubbles and everything on it. And I do want to show this to everybody because we did this today. We went to Big Bird Burger and Bites. So, let's show you. If you get food, and this is an additional, save 10% on food and merchandise. So this is really a good deal. Isn't this till the end of June? That's what I was looking for as I was talking, because I believe this is only until the end of June. You can check that out. I'm not 100% sure on that.
Can you buy a plushie and then get 10% off?
Yeah, it's saying all food and merchandise. And we did go to Big Bird Burgers and Bites, and we did get the additional 10% off, so that was really nice. Yeah. So for what we paid there, it was actually a pretty good deal. It was cheaper than if you went to a restaurant or something like. And this food was better. Oh, I guess I gotta put that in there because I thought it was better. All right, so let's go in.
If you had the tour bus, it would be 10% off.
I guess it says all food and merchandise.
Let's go.
But I wanted to put that on my video so we know that you can get that extra on top of your season pass. We are back into Sesame Souvenir over here, checking out all the Sesame Street figures. She's trying to figure out which 5 she would actually get.
These 5.
Because we are going to eventually get it, but we want to make sure that this is definitely the one you want to get. Sometimes we change our mind back and forth, but because then you're like, oh, I want Tango, or I want this, or I want that. Oh, the new ones. See, I showed this in my other video, just in case you did not see that. They got Yip Yip, and you come around here, and they had the 2-headed monster. Yes, coming all the way back here, which I did show a second ago, was Tango. These are the new ones, and yes, Elmo's back in stock. So
I
she
think I
loves,
did this.
Yeah,
Not
that's pretty
Kelly.
cool. Not Kelly. Oh no, that's Rita Monster. Well, she doesn't have that. That's one we don't have. Like if you include that with
Or this one.
everything that you have.
I think I would get this one.
Grover, that's what I would get. I would just get a bus full of Grovers.
Hey.
All Grovers. Yeah, but so if you think about all the characters, not just like the figures and everything that you have, the only thing I think that you don't have is the 2-headed monster and Yip Yip. Out of everything.
Well,
like,
Yip Yip's not a plushie.
Cause no, but I'm saying out of if you combine the plushies and everything that you have together and the figures and all the stuff that you have together,
I think
they're the only ones that you do not have. Or the 2-headed monster.
Yeah, these are the ones I would get.
Because you have a Tango plushie. And you do have Grover and Super Grover, right?
No, I don't have normal Grover. I just have Super Grover.
Oh, no. that is the only plushie I have is normal Grover.
But I don't want him. Because
You don't
Super
want-
Grover's better.
Oh, okay. Well, that's up to you. You can get whatever you want. But I was just,
I like these ones.
they're the ones you like. Okay. And we
Because
know
I
she has a
definitely
ton of
get
Big Birds. And Rosita, yes. They're
Because
the
there's
ones
only
you
like
to
that
have.
much left. Like 15 more left.
What's that?
Look, that's how much are left.
Oh, Rosita. Yeah, there's not a lot under there. Was there a lot of Rositas and the
Yeah, I think
Hoopers?
so.
Mr. Hoopers, yes.
But they don't have...
Snuffleupagus. They don't have Snuffleupagus down there. Yeah, I noticed that.
I don't think they have the 2-headed monsters.
No, they
don't have
didn't.
the
We didn't see that down there, but we're gonna go check that later out today because we were there yesterday and they did not have any of the new ones they have up here. But they probably will put them down there. See, they had to make extra room in there for them by putting little extra walls. Huh? A book? Oh, is that new? Oh,
Because it
wow.
has Elmo, Cookie, Big Bird, and Oscar and Abby.
What is this set of? What does it say? Set of?
No, 5
Oh,
notebooks.
so notebooks. Now that's pretty cool.
And $22.
Oh,
Not bad.
wow. No, not for 5. Yeah. You always remember, always get your discount on your season pass. I'm walking around to see if I see anything else. And to take note that these autograph books are half off. We got one yesterday, which is a great thing to have, and it was under $10. She's still looking. Ooh, there's your buses. Yeah. It's tough. I see a lot of kids go pick up 5. Oh no, I want this one. They'll take it out of the bus and get. Wait a minute, I want this one. They'll take it out of the bus and get another one in there, and they switch them back and forth. And it's like, oh, it's tough if just pick 5. Yeah. So you'd have to get, let's see, there's 19 we counted yesterday, 19 different figures. So you'd have to get 4 buses to get all of the figures. But that would be actually, yeah, that would be actually 20. So you'd have to get 2 of one. So which one would you get 2 of? That's a question.
Oh, Big Bird.
You would get 2 Big Birds.
Yeah.
I would get 2 Grover. Yeah, I definitely would get 2 Grovers.
Oh, they don't. You know they don't have
What?
Oscar.
Oh, Oscar, yeah. But they did have Oscar before.
No.
They never had Oscar.
No.
Really?
They need to. They need to make Oscar.
They need to make Oscar, and you said Baby Bear.
Yeah.
Oscar
And Super Grover.
And that'd be nice to have Super Grover. I mean, we do have Grover, which is good. Super Grover. And I can't think of anyone else. Yeah, I think that is it, right? Yeah. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. All right. Let's take, I'm going to take, oh yeah, the purses. I have to get a price on one of these. And someone had asked me about the purse. Forgot about that yesterday, so I'm going to get that and add it into my Hoopers video. All right, I'm gonna check that out, and then we'll head down to Hoopers in a minute. I want to check out what the price is for the purse. There was something else I wanted to check out the price for. That was that other, the Gabrielle, right? That's we want to check out the price for that too. Okay. All right, so whenever you're ready to go to Hoopers, let me know, because this does not have, yeah. All right, I'm going to go ask somebody real quick. Oh, she was showing me that somebody had put Big Bird in the wrong spot.
They are friends.
Yeah, they are friends. Well, they're friends. They're all friends, right? So she's going to put him back where he belongs. Put that Big Bird back. Get him back in there. That's where you belong, Big Bird. All right, let me check the price of the purses. The purses are $27.99. I just asked somebody.
Me want cookies.
If there's anything else, anyone needs a price one, let me know and I'll find out for you. I think, oh, she's gonna clean up these. There she goes. Always straighten up in here. You can get a job here when you're older. Straighten up crew. Oh man. Telly knocked him down. Telly, that's your fault. No, that was an accident. Telly. Oh, he's not staying very well. That's what it is. Oh, there we go. Check out the Big Bird hat. There's something new in here. She likes it.
Last one.
And it's the last one. I don't know where it came. She's found it on there. Oh.
It doesn't have like a tag.
Yeah. Huh. Wonder where.
Oh, it's over there. It comes from over there.
Oh, it's a toddler hat.
Okay, how much is it?
You know she wants it. They're cute. I see $21.99.
25.
It was $25. I think it's $21.99. Oh, you're right. The 4 looked like a 1, but it is a pretty cool hat. Now that would go perfect. There you go. You get the onesie. See that? And you get the hat, and you are all set. That's a good match right there. And they got a Cookie Monster one too. I don't see a Cookie Monster shirt. They do have the Elmo shirt there. I love that. That's super cute. And she's showing me something. What happened? Oh, there's the Big Bird fan. She likes the Big Birds. You want to go down Hoopers and see if they have any of the new stuff down there? We'll head down that way. As you can't get up. You got too many Big Birds to carry. You know, we'll head down to Hoopers and check it out. And look, they have select character towels, 2 for $40. Pretty cool, and they're nice. They're nice. They're big. and they're soft. Well, I don't see a Grover towel.
Hey,
So
I would get Abby and Cookie because
Yeah.
this is a different cookie.
Abby, it's hard. It's hard to pick two.
You probably get Elmo.
Well, if there's ever Big Bird, it's always going to be a Big Bird. And then
Two
somebody
Big
else.
Birds.
Oh, two Big Birds. I'll get two Big Birds. All right, we're going to head down to Hooper's and we're going to see what's down there.
That's over there. Should we check the different dots?
Yeah, the prices for it.
A little yeah.
All right, so we are headed down to Hooper's. And I don't see any characters out, but it looks like there is a line for Big Bird.
Hey, that's mine.
And let me just see what time it is. I'm going to pull this. It is 1 after 1. So that means he is out right now. And the parade's in about a little less than 2 hours. So we're going to go into another one of our favorite places, Hooper's. We like the souvenir shop, both of them. Hooper's is right around the corner here. You see there's another Dippin' Dot stand. That's where you can get really large Dippin' Dots. And we did ask when we were up there at the little stands on the outside, they have little refrigerators with small containers of Dippin' Dots. You can also get that there as well. Sure.
Popular.
Yeah, Big Bird is popular. Look at the line for Big Bird. It goes all the way back there. That is cool. All right, we're gonna head in to the Hooper's gift shop. I like the sign here. Sesame Summer Splash. Okay. All right, now we are in Mr. Hooper's. So we're gonna take a look over at the characters over here to see if they got any of the ones from the store souvenir shop up front. Yeah, see. Oh, look at that. Somebody's out of stock right here.
Rosita. It's Rosita.
Oh, Rosita's running low right now. Yes, she's very low in the storefront. And guess what? Yes, my buddy Grover.
Big
What?
Bird. It's
Hey,
a
what are you
mama.
doing in
It's
there?
a daddy Big Bird.
He's babysitting. He's babysitting.
Where's he going?
I don't know. We should know this because we come enough. He's over there. I know he's on that side of the store over there. She's putting him back. Look at that. My favorite. See? He's almost gone. And the Rosita, that's what she said was there, which I don't see her anywhere else. That's probably right. Rosita's gone. Rosita is getting low. What? How did he get in there? Jeez. Big Bird's all over the place. She's going to put Big Bird back. Yeah, over that one. You can see they still have the sale. Small plush buy 2 or more for $15.99 each. $21.99
See Gabrielle.
for just one.
Gabrielle.
Yes, that's who we want to get a price on because we weren't sure when we were last time. So we're going to get a price on Gabrielle. The sun is actually peeking out through the clouds right now, so it's warming up at her. But we want to show you what she got. She did get Gabrielle. We found out she's $30, but we had the pass off. That came to 21 with that and the extra 10% discount. So that's her new character. Pulled out a little bit so you can see better. Really nice. She's so excited to have her. She's been wanting her, and that was the last one. She's like, I got it. Okay.
There's barely
so we
any
did.
girls.
Yeah. We actually were getting in line to see Zoe, but we had to head out to the car because we realized the parade is going to be starting soon, and we wanted to get our blankets so we can sit on. It's always nice to have them. So we're going to head back in and see if we can get into Zoe's line. And she's loving her new doll. Beautiful, just beautiful. I like her too. I
There's
like
barely
her.
any girls at Sesame Street. It's mostly boys.
Yeah. Well, she's a good one to have.
I like her hair.
Yeah, she's pretty.
Because it's kind of like Abby's.
Yeah. All right, so let's head on in here and see if we can get in line for Zoe. Now we're headed back in here. I can hear the roller coaster going. It's still going. But this one was going too, wasn't it? I believe so. All right. I think we have another hour before the parade starts. It is looking that, yep, that's right. It's almost 2 o'clock. So we have to do our meet and greets and get a spot for the parade. All right, let's get on in here. All right, we made it back in to get in line for Zoe. This is the only character that we have not seen yet today who's been out. So we will have seen every one of them. I'm looking around right now to see if there's anybody else out. And I don't see anybody. This is probably, I'm going to say, the last meet and greet because the parade's going to start soon, so they'll all have to get back ready for the parade. She's getting her Zoe out. She sees her Zoe. Oh, here. Bye-bye. There she is. Blowing kisses to the Zoe. All right, let's head out this way. See what we're going to do. I don't know if we're going to get in the meet and greet pass holders or if we're going to go sit for the parade. One or the other. We're going to see what we're going to do now. Okay, we're at the Starbucks coffee and espressos. Ooh. And then we're going to go over to the parade. So I'm trying to figure out what I want. That is what they have. Tough choice. Tough choice. That is such a super fun ride. I'm sitting there waiting for the Starbucks. Let me show you this. I like how it goes up on an angle like that. It's super fun. Super fun swings. Okay, I just got back from Starbucks. We came back to our towels to sit over the parade, and she got the pink drink, and I got a white chocolate mocha espresso coffee, and it is really, really good. I like it. And you need that little boost right in the middle of the day, right here. We sat down for the parade, and a lot of people are just starting to sit down. They seen us sit down, like, oh, the parade. Try to get a good spot. This is the spot that Paige says the pom-poms shoot out right here. There's a few different spots, but this is like the middle. Yeah, they usually go all the way back there, so she wants to make sure she gets a pom-pom. That'll be great. You always want to get one of those at the parade. It's fun to get that kind of stuff, you know? It's like treasures coming at you. But we didn't do the meet and greet because we decided to sit for the parade. We wanted to take a break for a little bit. We've been walking around ever since we got here. Besides when we ate at Big Bird Burger Bites today. She loves her new dog. Loves it. You know, we're going to do a video of that. Of your Sesame Street collection that will have...
You already did that.
No, because you got new stuff. We did do it. But this is going to be with all your new stuff. So everything is on there. You know what I mean? Yeah, so all the stuff's on there.
Hello, everybody.
Who are you saying hi to, Big Bird?
All the people waiting for the parade.
Where? I know it's Abby.
I know, it's
You
Abby.
made them disappear.
No, they're all on Sesame Street, Abby. That's where the parade is going to be in 15 minutes.
Wow! Who's in the parade?
You and me. We'll be singing and dancing with all our Sesame Street friends.
Oh, in 15 minutes, I better go learn the steps. Bye-bye. Big Berries gotta climb. Oh, that's a rhyme.
I better practice too. Thanks for waiting, everybody. See you soon.
That was Abby and Big Bird, actually. We don't have our Abby doll
We
with
just
us.
pretended this is Abby.
Yeah, we're pretending because we don't have our Abby doll with us.
I have two rabbits at home.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The parade will start. I will be so happy to see all of these friends. That's you. Bye for now, friends. See you soon. It's kind of close to color.
Yeah, I know. We don't have Velma with us
It's
either.
starting to rain.
All right, we are headed out. It's weird, it's raining, but the sun's coming out. All day, we had the sun come out one other time.
I got two pom-poms.
Yeah, she got two pom-poms
And I gave one to
from
someone.
the parade. Yeah, she gave one to someone. We'll put the parade, that'll be on another video. You can hear the music in the background. There it goes.
Mikey, this was
But it's only 3:30, but the park does close in about an hour and a half. I think we're going to head out a little early because it's showing that rain, yeah.
And I don't want
Hey,
to get
you're
my new
re-
doll wet.
Yeah, you don't want to get the dolls wet. Originally, it said 6 o'clock, but I guess it moved up some because now it's showing rain from now all the way for days now, actually. But this was just like little rain. It doesn't have storms. The storms are on their way. It's very windy. It feels like it's going to storm. So I'm thinking if there's anything else I want to do before we leave. Souvenir shop. Yeah, we already went there.
Oh my god, did you see that? Something just flew.
Hey, you know what? I just realized something. We still didn't go on any rides today. Yesterday, either dry or wet, but it was a little to the chilly side. But it's still nice to come in, walk around, you get your character meet and greets. That's always so much fun. And just check out the stuff in the souvenir shop, which you did end up buying something. And that's because it was the last one. What? Oh, it flew off of somewhere? Yeah. Somebody will pick it up. Because I'm not sure where it came from. Are you done with that?
No.
Hold that? Okay.
I'm gonna give it this one.
Oh, she's gonna pick it up. This is like Paige just does this kind of stuff. She picks up things.
Can I go in there, give it, or?
Yeah, well, let's figure it out. Because I'm not really sure either. These are unicorn pops, which I just noticed there's a sign on here. We weren't sure how much they were the other day, but Paige noticed it. $4.99. That's how much they are. And I don't know if I showed this before. It says a baseball caps or buy 2 or more for $24.99 each. So they're doing a sale on that too. I think I might have seen it before in Hoopers, but I'm not really sure. That's pretty cool. I like that because that wasn't here before. That was in the other store. You could get a picture and you clip it on right there. She wanted to stop.
Oh, you saw that?
What happened?
The lights just flickered.
The lights flickered. Well, there is a storm coming. She's like, I'm ready to go. Let me out some because I'm too close right now. It may have flickered. It's really windy outside right now. So trees could fall over, hit the power lines. It's not thunder and lightning out, but it does show it in the forecast soon. But it doesn't show it today. What's that? Where does that go? I'm gonna guess that goes with the Elmo stuff. She's walking around picking stuff up. There's wait till she sees the big bird down. Once she sees that big bird down, she's gonna go pick it up. She's like, no, not big bird on the floor. I'm looking around to see if she notices it. I'm gonna come over here and see if she notices it. Oh, somebody else might notice it too. Oh, look, there's more Rositas. Elmo stuff, you don't know where it goes? It didn't go over there with the Elmo? Hope somebody didn't buy it and bring it in here from the other store, the Hooper store. Oh, what's that behind you? Oh my god. Big bird on the floor, big bird on the floor. Oh no, we can't have big bird on the floor. I noticed that right away. Oh, look. Yep, he's on the floor too. We straighten up the shelves. You gonna fix him up? You're taking him? You feel bad for him? Oh, he's on the floor. Yeah. Uh-oh, he does not want to, he wants to come home with you. Now your other big bird's falling on the floor too. Now you're telling monsters fall. They're actually yours. Oh man, your hands are full today. All right, I'm gonna go see because I think that this Elmo purse, you see, I see the one over here for Oscar. Oscar's right here, and Abby's over here. So I think the Elmo one goes over there. Yes, it does. Excuse me?
Yep.
Huh? It didn't? Yeah, right here. Here it goes. That's where the Elmo purse goes, right there. We found it.
I think I was, oh look, Oscar, I never
Oscar,
saw
what are you doing over there? He's over here visiting Elmo. Here, give me your drink since you're taking things around because I don't want you spilling this anywhere. What? Oh, look at little Abby. Paige is straightening up before we leave. Hey, Paige, I saw. She's just straightening up. Paige, guess what I saw over here? Snuffleupagus. What's he's up there. There's so many people in here. You'd be in here all day putting things back where they belong. Walking around trying to get away from everybody. There's a lot of people in here. Everybody's shopping. Getting close to the end of the day, they love to come in here. I'm looking around myself to see. I did see that, but I did show that on another video. They are normally $20. Now they're $15.99. the larger figurines.
What's this?
Are you done putting things back? Oh, yep, the headband goes up there. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. I like the backpacks down there, too. Those little backpacks. They're cool. Oh, my gosh, there's an Elmo down there. It's just, or no. It's like, wait, there's an Elmo down there. She likes doing that kind of stuff, straighten up. She really likes the Sesame place. What is that? Oh, it's a big one. Yeah, it's a medium sized one. Yeah, that doesn't belong in there. She just likes to straighten up. But that's nice. I don't see anything else out of place. You put them back. All right. All right, Paige. Oh, necklace is on. Oh, they probably go around the other side. Maybe just put them on, or you can even put them on the very, very top.
Oh, they go right here.
Oh, I say, yeah. We saw them on the floor too. They got knocked down. Somebody might have just bumped into them accidentally and knocked them off. That's what it looks like, that somebody bumped into it accidentally. All right.
He doesn't go in the right spot, he comes with me.
He comes with you. He's in the wrong spot. He goes with you. I like that clue. All right. Yeah. You ready to head out of here now for the day? Probably not. She likes being in here. Likes checking everything out. Oh, check out the trains. Got trains in the ice cream truck there. Pretty cool. All right. Yeah, the sun really is coming out. It was cloudy all day. It came out one time before, but now it's really coming out, the sun. Yep, there's your drink back.
Let's go.
All right, you ready to go? Okay, we are headed out for the day. And she sees a pom-pom on the ground over here. It's just blowing around. She loves to collect them. You could probably make a whole picture of how many you got of them. So we did have fun today. So we did mostly, watch your drink there, meet and greets. We mostly did the meet and greets today, and we went in a couple stores. Ooh. And then we did do going to Big Bird's Burger and Bites. That was really good. I really like Big Bird's Burger and Bites. We went to Elmo's Eatery before too, and I had the chicken tenders, and they were actually good too. So I haven't tried the pizza in there. There's a few things I still would like to try, and we'll do that. We got the whole summer, and we'll probably be here a lot, I'm sure of it. And the building's coming along pretty good there too, as you can see. Alright, so we are headed out, and we had a great day. So bye-bye for now, Sesame Place. We'll see you next time.